guys, welcome back to Candy Wars. Today I'm here with Simon and say your name.
And Alex and Simon, 382.
Okay, so today we're playing Speed Run. Okay, and we have a challenge. Simon, say hi. Okay. Okay, so whoever makes it to level 2 first wins. So we all need to be at the yellow line. Everyone go to the yellow line.
Not on the yellow line.
Go to the yellow line. Hey! You cheat? Okay. Everyone behind the yellow line. Hey. Okay.
I can't.
3, 2, 1, go! Hey! I hope he dies. You need to die.
I never die.
No, you will die.
No, I won't.
Because I will pass you.
You will. You won't pass me. I cheated. You can't pass a cheater.
Wait, it's not working for you? Oh, no! No, it's not fair! Now you need to wait for us. So Alex won that round? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Hold on. I need to turn this volume down. Okay. Oh, I'm so mad. I'm triggered. Oh, oh no, Simon's gonna win second place. No. Okay, you guys need to wait for me.
Wait, also wait for Mariana.
Hi. Everyone behind the yellow line. 3, 2, 1, go. That's what you get. No.
What the freaking?
Oh, Simon. Again, go. Keep a gun. Can't move. You made me die. You're like, what?
What did you scream? What the?
No. My body landed. This is hard.
Oh my!
Wait, why is Alex beating? No.
It was me.
I'm all the way in the beginning.
I did it!
No! So Alex has 2 points. Simon has 0 and I have 0. No! I will hold on to my life. No, bye.
Jose made a second. Never mind.
No, okay, you guys need to wait. No, I see your shirt and your little path and your little Sonic path.
I see it.
Wait. Okay. This is no. I don't like this game. This is a trigger. It makes you trigger game. Oh, I'm gonna make it. I see the end of my life. Oh no! Ooh. Who said I did it? Okay, now we need to wait for Simon, right?
I'm already in the yellow line.
Look. Okay, so Simon. Okay, so Simon is triggered. Yes, Simon is triggered.
What happened?
I'll tell. Simon, let's go! Hurry up! Let's have a jump battle, Alex. Okay? 3, 2, 1, double jump! No! Okay, again. At the same time. Oh, yay! Simon! Okay. Wait, no. Simon. 3, 2, 1, go! I will never get a point if I never try. Alex, die!
No.
No, I glitched! Bye, world. No, I'm alive!
No! I died! Glitch!
You need to go slow in this part.
It's not.
Simon, is that you? Is that you beating it? Who just beat it? Simon won that round. He's lucky. He's very lucky.
Well, I'm winning.
Alex has 2 points. Simon has 1. I have 0. But I got an E for effort. So yeah. No, I don't like level 3.
And I passed.
Okay, yeah, guys, wait for me, please. Please.
Oh, level 4 is really rage.
What do you mean rage?
It's really hard.
Yeah, guys, don't start without me.
Let's do a jump contest.
You guys can do a staring contest.
Right. Boy, wait for me.
Finally. No! No. Okay, no. Guys, I think we're gonna end it off when I pass this. Yeah. So, guys, I'll come back when I pass this. Okay, guys, I made it. This is the last round. Okay? And then we're gonna say bye-bye. Okay, guys?
Okay.
Okay, in 3, 2, 1, go. And if I pause the video like that, it's because I get rage. And yeah, and then I can't pass it. It took me a lot of tries, so I saw someone die.
It was Jose.
Why are you so good? Oh, I see you die.
Well, you saw me.
Yeah, I saw you die. All of us
You
died.
die.
No, I won't die.
Hey,
Why would you say I die? I am the pro.
I mean,
When I die, I haven't even run around.
I see your little legs.
I won't die. I won't die.
I knew it. No! Yes, I can climb again. Hiya!
You guys have like 3 minutes to beat this.
Ah.
You guys have 2 minutes actually.
No!
Oh my gosh! Why did you just fly off the rock?
Yeah.
You're like, phew.
No, I climbed up down because it was that way. It wasn't
Oh,
this.
Simon!
You died.
No.
And you died.
Simon, did you beat it?
Yes.
I hate you.
What? Simon beat it already?
Yeah, he beat it. Okay, guys. So Simon has 2 points, and I'll come back when Bob and me are done. Okay, guys. I hope you enjoyed Alex's glitching. Okay, I hope you enjoyed. Alex and me couldn't beat it, but Simon and Alex got tied. So I'm thinking of a number 1 through 10. Whoever guesses first wins. Okay, Alex, say a number.
7.
No. Simon, say a number. 1 through 10.
Oh my gosh, I'm scared.
1 through 10.
3 is my lucky number.
What?
3.
3? 3? Oh my gosh, you got it right! It's 3! Oh my god, no! I'm not lying. It was 3.
What?
Okay, so Simon won. Comment down below who you think did better.
Yeah,
But
I'm gonna
Simon
cheat.
won.
I'm gonna cheat.
Okay, guys. Okay, so let's try to get this video to 30 likes. No,
A million likes.
no.
Hit that like button to get a million likes.
No, okay.
Okay, just try to get 1,000.
No, 10 likes. If we get 10 likes, we will do a part 2. Yeah? Does that sound good?
We already got
So
10
like and
likes.
subscribe, hit the bell so you won't miss any of our videos. Bye guys. Thanks for watching. Guys,
Bye.
Simon, say bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.